Start.
So the class is indices. So first indices is nothing but if writing a 2 power 4, the 2 power 4 can be written as the 2 can be written 4 times. So that is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 can be written as 4 times. Next 3 power 6. That is 3 power 6 is nothing but 3 can be written as 6 times. That is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So that is 3 can be written as 6 times. So here this is 3 can be written as 6 times. Okay. So here the form is this is 3 power 6. This form is same as m a power m. A power m. So 3 power 6. Here the a is called base and m is called indices. That is a is equal to base and m is equal to indices. Sorry, not indices. So this is exponent or power. So therefore, in this example 2 power 4, in 2 power 4, in 2 power 4, what is the base?
2.
2. Here the base is equal to 2. And what is the exponent?
4.
4. This is the for example. And next, for second example, in 3 power 6, what is the base?
3.
And exponent?
6.
Okay. And next, in third one, so 9 power 4. In 9 power 4, what is the base?
9.
The base is equal to 9. And what is the exponent?
4.
4. And the exponent is also called as power. The exponent is also called as the power. So how to study the 5 power 3? How to study the 5 power 3? This is nothing but 5 power 3. This can be studied as 5 power
3.
So that is nothing but how to write 5 power 3? 5 power 3 ni ela rayala?
5 into 5.
5 power 3 అంటే మనం ఏమని రాస్తాము 5 into 5 into 5. Suppose 2 power 5. Next, if writing as a 2 power 5. So how to write 2 power 5?
2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into.
That is 2 can be written as how many times? 2 can be written? 5. That is 2 can be written as
5.
5 times. And 3 power, suppose 4 power 5. 4 power 5.
4 can be written as 5. 5 times.
4 can be written as
5 times.
5 times. So that is 4 ఎన్నిసార్లు రాయాలి మనము 5 సార్లు రాయాలి. అన్ని చెప్తాను తర్వాత వీడియో చూసి రాసుకున్నాం. డిలీట్ చేస్తలేరా దాంట్లో నుంచి అదే ప్రదేశం కాదు. ఓకేనా? రాసుకుంటారా?
వద్దులే దగ్గర నేను రాసుకున్నాను నేను రాసుకున్నాను నువ్వు కంటిన్యూ చేయలేదు తెలుగులో చెప్తా ఇంగ్లీష్
అన్ని చెప్తాడు అబ్బాయి, ఏం కాదు కానీ
మళ్ళీ
మళ్ళీ డిలీట్ చేస్తాం దాంట్లో
దీన్నే చూడాలి
చూసాం. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ద బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆర్ ద మెయిన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆర్ first one a power m into a power n. So into వచ్చిందనుకో, what is the base of this one?
a
What is the power?
m
M. Here for this one
a n
n. So therefore if the bases are equal we can add the powers, that is a power of m
m
plus
plus
n.
n
A power of
m plus n.
If that is bases are equal, bases are equal, we add powers, we add powers. So this is the one formula, main formula. So first we study the all formulas. The first formula is a power m into a power n, that is nothing but a power of
M plus n.
This is into, for into, what is the opposite of into?
Divided by
That is a power m by a power n. So what is the opposite of plus?
minus
That is nothing but a power of
m minus n.
If we have into is nothing but addition. 4 into 2, nothing but 4 can be added 2 times. 4 plus 4. 4 divided by 2, nothing but we subtract. 4 can be subtracted from 2. This is nothing but a power m by a power n, nothing but a power of m minus n. So this is the second formula. And third one, power a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. If there is a power, then we can written as multiply this one. A power m into n. A power of m into n. Okay. And next, if we multiply it by the ab whole power m. AB whole power m. What is the base?
ab
AB. What is the power?
m
M. In a base we have two terms. Separate the two bases. Separate the bases. So first base is A. A power m. And second base is B. That is A power m into B power m. This is nothing but into. A into B. This is that. That is nothing but into. And A by B. A by B whole power n. In A by B, what is the base?
a by
A by B. What is the power?
m
So this is nothing but, so here there are two bases. One is A and the one is B. Separate that one. A power m by
b power m
B power. A power m by
b power m.
And next one is what is the next one? That is A power minus n. A power minus n. This can be written as 1 by A power n. 1 by
a power n.
that is A power minus n can be written as 1 by A power. And we know that A power 0, the value of A power 0 is equal to 1. What is the base?
A
What is the power?
0
So anything power 0, the value is equal to
1
So these are the basic formulas. The first one is A
A
power
power
m
m
into
into
A
A power
power
n.
n. This is nothing but A power of
m plus n
And second one is A power m by A power n. That is nothing but A power of
m minus n
ఇది ఇంటూ ఉంది. ఇంటూ ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటి?
divided by
ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది. ప్లస్ ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటి?
minus
ఓకే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ A power m whole power n. nothing but a power m m into n. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ రెండు తీసుకుంటాం, ఇంతవరకు ఒకటే తీసుకున్నాం, రెండు కంబైన్ చేసాం. ab
a into b
whole power m, nothing but a power m into
b power m.
And next ఇది ఇంటూ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే డివైడెడ్ బై రాస్తాం, a by b whole power m. So nothing but a power m by b power m. And next a power minus n, a power minus n అంటే ఏం రాస్తాం మనము 1 by a power n. And anything power 0, what is the value of anything power 0? 1.
Ready?
Okay. So first formula, a power n into a power n, nothing but a power of
m plus n.
Okay, so first problem, 2 power 4 into 2 cube. So what is nothing but 2 power 4?
2 should write 4 times.
2 can be written as
4
4
times.
times. That is nothing but 2 can be written as 4 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. And next, how to write 2 cube?
2 can be written as 3 times.
2 can be written as 3 times. And this is nothing but 2 can be written as 4 times, and then 2 can be written as 3 times. So totally how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. 2
So
to the
therefore, it is
power
nothing but 2 power 7.
7.
So therefore, 2 power 4 into 2 cube. What is the value? The value is equal to 2 power 7.
7.
So this is nothing but what is the formula? The base formula, a power n into a power n. The bases are equal. You can add the powers. That is nothing but a 2 power of 4 plus 3. 2 power of 4 plus 3. What is nothing but 2 power of 4 plus 3? 2 power 7. 2 power of 7. And next. So for next problem, okay, that is so 3 power 4 into 3 square. 3 square. 3 power 4 into 3 square. So how to write 3 power 4?
3 can be written as 4 times.
3 can be written as 4 times.
3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4
3
times.
into 3 into 3. And 3 square. What is nothing but 3 square?
3 into 3.
3 into 3.
3 should write 2 times.
So totally how many 3's?
6.
6.
3 power of 6.
So therefore, what is the formula? That is 3 power m into 3 square. Nothing but a 3 power of. We can add the power. Bases are equal. We can add the powers.
4 plus 2.
4 plus 2. That is nothing but a 3 power
6.
6. And similarly, 2 power 9 into 2 power 13. What is the answer?
2 power 9. 13 plus 9.
9 plus 13.
13.
That is nothing but a 2 power of. So this is nothing but 13 plus 9.
22.
20.
20.
20. Okay. So here that and 2 power 4 into 2 cube. What is the answer? 2 power 4 into 2 cube. What is the answer?
2 power 4 plus 3.
This is nothing but a 2 power of 4 plus 3.
3.
What is the value?
7.
2 power
7.
Directly you can write that. And next 3 power 4 into 3 square. What is the value?
3 power of 4 plus 2.
3 power of
That's 3 power of
6.
6.
3 power 6. And similarly, next, suppose if there is 4 power 5 into 4 power 9. What is the answer?
4 to the power of 5 plus 9. 5 plus
4 to the
9.
power of 5 plus 9. What is the answer? What is the
4
value?
to the power of 14.
5 plus 9 value?
14.
14. What is the base?
4.
What is the exponent?
14.
14. So in this 4 power 14, what is the 4 is it? What is the base? The base is nothing but
4.
4. And what is the exponent?
14.
14. Okay. And next, 6 power 5 into 6 cube. Subside.
6 power 5 plus 3.
5 plus 3.
6 power 8.
6 power 8. What is the base?
6.
6. What is the exponent?
8.
That is 6 power, the base is equal to 6 and exponent is equal to 8. Okay. And next, 4 power 10 into 4 power 13.
4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 13.
4 power 10 plus 13. What is the value of
4
10 plus
power
13?
23.
4 power
23.
23. What is the base?
4.
4. What is the exponent?
23.
So in 4 power 23, the base is equal to 4 and exponent is equal to 20. So what is the main formula?
A power n into A power n is equal to A power n plus 10.
Okay. That is, if the bases are equal, we can add the powers. Okay. And next one is I'll start.